My Craftsman half a horsepower garage door opener light won't turn on.
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. There are only a few items that can cause them not to work. Bulb is bad or incorrect, bad socket, bad relay on main board. Follow the below and hopefully you can get yours operating or use the alternative posted. 1. Only use standard light bulbs, not CFL or energy savers 2. Also, verify the bulb in a table lamp or other fixture as some bulbs do not have enough solder on the tip to make contact. This does happen often with bulbs manufactured outside the US. 3. Unplug the opener and take a small flat screwdriver, then inside the bulb socket there are 2 tabs or 1 tab in the center bottom and the side shell that the bulb threads in with. It depends on whether the socket has a threaded insert. Scrape off both of these areas until you see some shiny metal. Try the bulb again for. If you remove the cover on the opener, you can follow the wires from the socket and you can see which board they connect to ensure they are not loose at the socket or the board. 5. If you can get access to a voltage meter, you can test the socket. Again, there are 2 tabs inside the socket, one in the center bottom and one on the side, or 1 tab in the center bottom and the side shell that the bulb threads in with. It depends on whether the socket has a threaded insert. You use 1 lead to each point. Should read 120 volts, only when the door was just opened or closed. The light times out and turns off automatically, so you must test before timeout at 3 minutes or so. Caution when doing this, as, if you touch the 2 leads together it will short out. Only perform this if you feel comfortable doing so. 6. If there is no voltage, then the board is bad inside the opener and would have to be replaced. If wanted, we can find that parts availability and location to purchase. 7. A much less expensive repair is to get a motion sensor plug that will attach to the opener receptacle and light up when you pull the car into the garage just like the opener would do. Motion sensor plug bulb socket. Let me know anything further needed. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.